Well, you guys, it has been a goddamn long time since I've made a video. I know, I'm sorry, but we just finally got the models in. And I've got quite a few models to work with while I collect more. And today, whoo, we're working on the Lamborghini Aventador 1:18 scale. This design, oh my god, I'm freaking excited about it. Let's get to work. Right, so first thing we need to do is take this part off, take that part off, take the door panels off. I just need something for that to do it with. In fact, we'll start that right now. So guys, this is the design that we're working with for this Lamborghini model. If you remember the first and 24 scale model videos, I showed this design off before I started the process of making it. Now with it, in terms of the model, we got the first white coat sprayed, but I feel like I need to take off, see the back panels before I can spray the back. Now you may be wondering, what about the stickers? Well, I have found a way to get them back. We're just going to use decals to kind of get them back. So that's the idea behind it. So yeah, let's keep moving. Well guys, that's the end of today's video. My question to end the video is, does anybody have any ideas on how I can improve the cutting? Let me know in the comments below.